Welcome to Quantum Experience channel, where your awakening starts within you. And today we're going to talk about the sixth ray, which is the ruby gold ray. So today we are going to learn who are the responsible beings for that, how can you use it, and some more of their characteristics. Okay, let's start with the basic. The sixth ray of the Great White Fraternity, or Brotherhood, is also the ruby gold ray, and it symbolizes the devotion, the peace, the altruistic love, and as well the selfless service. This ray is deeply connected to compassionate love, and as well the desire to serve others without expecting anything in return. It governs the faith, the dedication to a higher purpose, acting as a bridge to the manifestation of the divine peace. So the basic symbology from this ray is it's like love without and serve, loving others without conditions, and serving the others without expecting anything in return, not even a thank you. Okay, when you are starting to evolving yourself or connecting with this ray, these characteristics like the devotion, the peace, the altruistic love, and as well the selfless service are going to start awaken within you. Because when this ray starts to emerge in your life changes so much, but so much that is impossible not to change. Okay, as well, like we were talking about the last race, all race have got a being that is more responsible for it. In this case, is Master Nada and as well Jesus. Yes, Jesus. And also, Lady Nada is known for her unwavering devotion to the selfless service and as well the unconditional love. Lady Nada emphasizes the importance of compassion and aiding others without expecting expectation of any kind of reward. She also embodies the energy of total surrender to a higher purpose. If you don't have a purpose and you are struggling, what the heck are you doing here in this planet? This ray can help you to discover your higher purpose, because living here without I'm not saying a higher calling, I'm not saying higher calling, but something greater than us. I mean, it's kind of, a very empty life. When you found your purpose in helping others, maybe telling jokes, for example, maybe giving good mornings, maybe open an association or something like that, your life starts getting even more brighter. And the truth, the abundance of love, caring starts to develop your life. And this feeling is amazing. But Lady Nada, keep going. Lady Nada is also a great devotee of the ruby golden flame. No wonder why, because she is the responsible for it. And check this out. In her past incarnations, past lives, she dedicated herself to the selfless service and healing through love and compassion. Okay? Healing through love and compassion. And her mission is to assist the humanity in living peace in harmony, guiding those who wish to dedicate their life to the spiritual service and helping others. As well, she provides necessary support to remain faithful to the path of devotion. Because when we are serving others, let's put it like this. Well, you have we have billions of ways to serve others. Perhaps some jokes, perhaps charity, perhaps giving good mornings, perhaps sometimes even your smile can help people and can help lives. And when you are connecting to this ray, these kind of feelings, these kind of actions are going to be stronger and they are going to be developed day by day. but just take your time. And when you have a higher purpose in helping others any way you can, any positive and wise way you can, that's good, because you are helping others. And the best feeling, my personal opinion, this is my personal opinion, is when you help others without uh, the thank you or whatever, and when your actions actually help others. Perhaps a joke sometimes is enough. Perhaps a good morning smile, this is enough. Perhaps looking to someone with compassion, but without any kind of judgment, also is already serving. And as well, let's talk about the energy of the sixth ray, which manifests through the ruby golden flame, known for bringing the peace, the devotion, and also a profound sense of selfless service. The ruby gold flame pacifies the heart, fosters humanity, and strengthens the faith in a higher purpose. It is evoked by those seeking to connect with the inner peace and dedicate themselves to the greater good as well. Okay, so the purposes of the sixth ray is the inspire devotion, the strength the faith, and promote the peaceless and selfless service. The virtues are the peace, devotion, the fame, compassion, and as well the selfless service. And as I was going, when I was talking about the other rays, there is an associate archangel. Let's say, an archangel that also represents this kind of energy, and this archangel Uriel, that also responsible. Archangel Uriel is also called to bring peace in the moments of conflict and inspire a deep sense of service to others. He is a spiritual guide who illuminates the path for those striving to bring peace and light in the world through compassion and dedication to the service. His spiritual functions are the peace, the ministry, the devotion, the service, and the illumination. When you are working with Lady Nada, or this ray, or Archangel Uriel, or a light being from this ray, this kind of feelings, these positive feelings, are going to start to awaken within you. It's not like going to be like this. It's going to be time after time after time. Okay, now for those who are born with this in this ray, there are some traits, because they often feel a strong urge to help others and selfless service and serve selflessly. They tend to be empathic, compassionate, and as well willing to prioritize others' needs over their own. These individuals are deeply motivated by faith and devotion, striving to bring the peace and harmony to the world through their services. But this ray, this ray also giving without expecting, that's good, but too much giving, it's a problem. And this is the special challenge to overcome in this ray, because the primary challenge of the fifth ray is avoiding excessive self-sacrifice and neglect your personal well-being. Balancing the service with the others with self-care is essential. It's not like giving everything you have and you get zero. And as well, how can you strengthen your connection with the sixth ray? Well, it's pretty simple. You can, like I told you in previous videos, or not. You can meditation. We can meditate with the ruby golden flame. So what you are going to do is a simple meditative exercise, and you are going to visualize yourself surrounded like a ball or a light with golden flame, with a ruby golden flame. And when you are visualizing and you are feeling, try to feel this energy bring you the peace, the devotion, and the desire to serve others. But do not force any outcome. Just let it flow. If something is going to happen, something positive is going to happen. Okay, just don't, in this case, don't rush it. Just let the process unfold by yourself. by itself, okay? Or you can summon the Archangel Uriel. You can ask Archangel Uriel to bring peace to challenge situations and as well guide you on the path of selfless service. You can also use devotional affirmations like I am the divine peace manifested or I am selfless service in action to attract and connect with the energy of the ruby golden flame. Or you can do some acts of service, like practice selfless love by, for example, doing volunteer work, for example, once a week, for example, or once in 2 weeks, or by without expecting anything in return, but while manifesting divine love into the world. Now, when you are going to, if you are going to do this, I advise you to do something that you can identify with. Perhaps volunteer, perhaps telling jokes, perhaps sometimes giving food, giving free food to people, for example. But this is suggestions, okay? And as well, the astrological and planetary associations. The sixth ray is connected to the planet Jupiter, that symbolizes expansion, faith, benevolence, and generosity, aligns perfectly with ideas of service and as well devotion represented in the sixth ray. Sagittarius is a sign that is represented by the sixth ray because governs the quest for a higher purpose and as well spiritual expansion. When you are working with the sixth ray, things like love, compassion, devotion are going to start to develop it within yourself. Do not force any kind of outcome. Just let the process do its own thing, but also connect daily with the energy through meditation, through prayer, through what you think you should do, or sometimes acts of kind service. Now I'm going to introduce you the enlightened masters and as well the hierarchy that kind of is responsible or overlooks the sixth ray. So the director is a master, Lady Nada, and as well Jesus Christ. The archangels are the Uriel and Donna Grace. The Elohim and Eloha are the Tranquilitas and as well Pacifica. The qualities are peace, devotion, grace, healing, sacred ministry, rendered services, ministration of grace, selfless service, devotional worship, focus of love, the Christian man working through the personality, the divine image incarnated in the flesh. Okay? And as well, the divine purpose is the Holy Spirit and the cosmic comfort. Or in other words, the Holy Spirit and as well the cosmic comfort. Glorify, sanctify, exalt, make holy, the blessed of God. I am, grace, holiness, purity, knowing the continuity in God of God in all things. Emotional intuition or knowledge. Emotional wisdom that love is the force that God slash goddess slash universe slash whatever name you give that unites all things. Eternity, tranquility, peace, calm, quietude, and as well the serenity. And when you are working with this ray, your life is going to be more prosper, like giving to others. Sometimes you don't need to give for everything. You can give in a small amounts. Sometimes a smile, sometimes a joke, sometimes volunteer work. This is good ways to give back to others without expecting nothing in return. And the more you do this, no, I'm not saying just do a massive change. What I'm trying to say is just little by little, and your life is gonna change. Okay? I hope you like this video. If you like, give me a thumbs up, and as well subscribe and share with your friends, family, or with people who are interested to know more. Until then, see you next video, and thank you for seeing this video. God bless you.